Alright guys, today I am unboxing a Gourmia Digital Air Fryer. Check this out. There's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. Okay, let's open this up and we'll see what's inside. Alright, so I got the wrapper, or the packaging off here. Now, this was on sale. You can play with the packaging later. Okay, so that's what it comes in it. Wow, this machine is actually almost the same size as the Ninja. I would say it's actually slightly bigger. So, and we'll compare the Ninja in 1 second. So here are two air fryers, but you'll see this is the Ninja that I got not too long ago, but this one's way bigger. Footprint wise, the tray is also bigger than the Ninja, so it makes sense. Now I'm gonna test this one out, see which one does a better job. So, all right, guys. So I have some spring rolls here. We're gonna put it into this Gourmia, and I'll be back. Okay, so it fits all those spring rolls pretty good. So let's put it in here. Oh, it's got the power on button, and I think I hit the. Okay, so I have this thing all set up. I'm hitting the reheat button. I have the temperature set at 190 and for 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna start this and I'll show you how it turns out. It's pretty quiet, as you can hear. It's pretty silent, so I'll be back. Alright, so I have it on pause right now. Just wanna check in and see how it is. Ooh, look at that, it's already sizzling. Not bad. I can smell it from here, so I got probably another 2 more minutes on. 4 minutes should be good there. So, and we'll start it up again. 6 minutes to go. All right, so it's all done now. As you can see, there it is. Gonna do a quick taste test in 1 second here. Okay, so as you can see, it is done. Let's do a quick taste test here. Oh yes, yeah, crispy. Alright, so it's all done here. I did a quick taste test. As you can see, it's so moist in the middle and it is crispy on the outside, so definitely worth a check for an air fryer, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.